Reggie, it's time to put your toys away.
Should we go downstairs?
Do you mind if we put them away? Oh, you don't want to get rid of that. Okay, what about if I put this guy away? This guy can go away? No? Okay, how about I put the bone? I'm going to put the bone away, okay, Reggie? This, oh my goodness. You're not ready. You're not done playing? Okay, I'm going to put this one away, Reggie.
I don't know what you're doing with your kids, but I'll take any advice you
This
have.
one is going away.
It's been such a pleasure getting to work
There.
with you, getting to know you, work with your friend Michelle, and getting
How about I get rid of this one?
and the foundation.
No.
We just love your enthusiasm for everything you do. For your family.
Okay, here it goes.
Community. So we have
It's away. Oh my goodness, I know.
to Emma's game.
Uh-oh. Okay, no, you need that one back? Okay, I'm going to take this one then. There, it's away. Okay, Reggie. This guy is now going to go away. Ready? He's going away. Game time's over, okay? Game time is over. 2 in 1? You took both. This one, I put this away already. Going away.
For your hard work on all the
This bone, you're not even looking at it.
greatest, really
The
creative.
bone, you're not even looking at it. It's going away.
I want to thank you for your incredible design help. I could have never in a million years even dreamed this.